Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to do transition on TikTok without using any type of apps. First, you need to download TikTok and then open the app, click the plus icon. You can record a video on the spot or you already have videos or photos on your gallery. So I choose photos on my galleries. For copyright. Next would be clicking the effects and then choose transition. There are many types of transition. You can choose any. Okay, here I chose switch on. Next would be slip. And then you can use again slip. The duration of the transition depends on how long you press the transition. So yeah, and you can also overlay a transition on a transition like this one. Yep. And that's it. I hope this helps. Thank you. Have a great day.